Guys, good morning. It's Vivi. I hope everyone's having a lovely morning today. So I have already filmed this. The same rant as the last time. I ended up recording it. My husband helped me out with my little memory pad, and it's as if it never existed. Maggie, I'm so sorry that I'm just now recording this. Well, I mean, I recorded it. Don't know where it is. But anyways, this comes from Maggie's journals. Not too long ago, she had a challenge, and you had to submit in an entry in order to try to win a journal. But I just thought it'd be honestly really fun to exercise my talents, and I sent one in. Ooh, well. She sent me a sweet little thank you, and this is what we see here. These lighthouses remind me of my mama. My brother not too long ago went to one with his fiance. Well, they're married now, but it was his fiance. I thought that was really cool. He sent us some beautiful pictures, and I don't know, I think it just kind of, this will look really cute in my journal, and I'm really excited to add that onto there and just talk about my little brother and stuff. But look at this gorgeous lady here. Isn't she gorgeous? So, unfortunately, y'all will not be getting my first reaction, and I don't know where that footage is at all, but without further ado, I want to show y'all this gorgeous beauty that she's made for me. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Even her card that she sent me is fantastic. Look at this. I absolutely love anything floral, botanical. I love it all. She says, "Dear BB, thank you so much for your beautiful entry and the extras. I wanted to send you a little happy mail. Enjoy. Happy crafting, Maggie." Thank you so much for this lovely postcard, Maggie. It's amazing. It's just so beautiful, and I love red. Check this out, you guys. She at one point had a video showing a vintage measuring tape, and she gave me a portion of it, so thank you so much for sharing that with me. And I love what she did here. She did some beautiful little speckling, and she's added this for texture. It almost reminds me of like a tea bag. Very well might be a tea bag. And if y'all haven't already checked out Maggie, I suggest that y'all go and do so. She makes beautiful journals. As of lately, she's been doing some really cool project shares and some crafting tips. So if that's something y'all find interesting, go and check her out and let her know that I sent y'all. Show her some love and support. She would really appreciate it. Also put in this cute tag here. Look at this. Look how she's done this, how she's binded this. I couldn't stop staring at it when she gave it to me. I think it's so pretty, and I love her style. This reminds me of some cheesecloth here, and it looks like she took the time to tea dye it. Unless I'm wrong, please let me know. Or if she used some Tim Holtz to dye it. Tim Holtz has some wonderful stuff that they're coming out with lately. And look at these tickets here, you guys. They're very thin, so they're quite fragile. But how cool is that? And then she's also added this beautiful lace. Check this out. Oh, by the way, you guys, when I uploaded the other video with Paul playing in the background, it honestly sounds so much louder like in person than it does on footage, so it sounds like I'm being a whiny. But trust me, it's very loud in person, but listening back to it, it's not at all, and I sound like I'm being so dramatic. Look at this. It's a check. How cool is that? How awesome would that be to tea dye? And then she did some gesso on the side here with some stenciling. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely gorgeous. This does look like a vintage page. It looks like it would be, doesn't it? And then some pesos page. Look how pretty that is. Maggie, thank you so much for taking the time for making this for me. I absolutely love it, and you did fantastic. Unlike nothing I have in my stash, so absolutely such a cutie. Thank you so much, you guys. And Maggie, I'm so very sorry that it's taking me forever to upload this. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all have a lovely rest of your day. Bye, guys.